COVID-19 has brought about a number of questions on the state of the economy. One, what sort of impact is it having on Canada and the world? And two, once the virus is contained, how will we see the economic recovery itself? Now, in terms of the first question, COVID-19 has had a severe impact, or is having a severe impact, on the global economy. What started off as a health crisis in China quickly transformed into an economic one, and we're likely to see the economy, the global economy, contract by 4.5% in 2020. We haven't seen this sort of decline since the Great Depression during the 1930s. Now, in terms of Canada and Canada's economy, things are not looking very good. In the first quarter, the Canadian economy likely fell by 2 to 3%. And so for some context, this is the sort of decline that we saw during the great financial crisis in 2008. Moving to the second quarter, it's not looking much better. Social distancing measures were in effect, as well as businesses were shut down, non-essential businesses were shut down, and this really depressed economic activity in the second quarter. And so what we're seeing is a 12% contraction in the Canadian economy in the second quarter. This is an unprecedented decline, and so policymakers naturally have moved to support businesses as well as households through this pandemic period. They unveiled a number of measures, and these will definitely help. But will things return to the way they were prior to COVID-19? The answer, unfortunately, is no. Without a vaccine, businesses will probably only be able to operate below capacity. And this is because social distancing measures will still be in effect to slow the spread of the virus. And households will continue to be worried about their jobs, their income, and a resurgence of the virus itself, and that will restrain spending. So both of these factors will weaken economic activity in the future, and so we may not see the same sort of rebound that we would have expected if it were a simpler or a normal sort of recession. So all in all, there's definitely a bunch of uncertainty that is there around the economy at the moment. We are continuing to look closely at the data, and so if you'd like more commentaries and analysis on COVID-19 and its impacts, please visit www.economics.td.com. Thank you.